We're loading the trailer. We're gonna get the Dakota, which you guys have already seen the edit, hopefully. We are pretty much getting ready to film the edit right now. So whatever you just watched, we're getting ready to film. Hopefully it goes smooth because the frame is pretty low. I mean, the whole truck is really low, and this trailer has a pretty big step to it. We got the old beast out here. We got Dayton hooking up the trailer. Dayton's brand new trailer they just bought. And we're gonna load the Dakota up on here. And I think it'll be a pretty stout unit rolling down the road. So like I said, that Dakota is really low to the ground where the frame is. And then this trailer has a pretty steep step up here. We're gonna try our best to get it on. Oh yeah, she's looking minty. Woo! They said I'd never hook it up to a trailer. Come on. First things first, we gotta put the spacers back onto the Dakota. We had to take the spacers off because we hauled it on that trailer sitting over there, and the wheels were like too wide to fit on the trailer. But we have 3.5 inches of spacers that we gotta put on here. So right now we're trying to figure out how we're gonna be able to get the Dakota up onto the trailer, because as we're looking at it, it looks like it's gonna be a little bit tougher and tougher as we go, because these exhausts pretty much touch the ground. I have to change the wheels while the truck is on the trailer. Honestly, after we put the spacers on it, I don't know if it'll go on at all. Puppy's doing. Oh my goodness.
God, you're wet. Now.
High side?
Yeah, you're caught.
If I back up and give it more juice, will it clear?
No.
What do you suggest? We'll put the jack up underneath there with a block of wood and just have it pedal itself on?
If we put a board right there on both sides, yeah. It'll lift up. See how this goes. Yeah, you cleared. No trailer burnouts. I just stained it.
It's freaking sick. I've never seen these trucks like this before, like together. We're gonna get this thing strapped down. We're gonna throw the front wheel spacers on the truck. Obviously, we have to make the video look as good as possible.
Dripping from?
Huh?
Where's it dripping from?
The power steering. Yeah, where it's dripping from, I don't know. I haven't taken a look at it. Power steering's going again, so that kind of sucks. As you can see.
Stacking them.
Huh?
You're stacking these spacers.
Yeah. So we got a 2-inch spacer and then a 1.5-inch spacer for 3.5 inches of spacing total. Come back on because this thing actually does look pretty mean with them on. It's actually a pretty big difference. You think the black truck's wide? This has double the thickness of spacers. Slot. Touch that fiberglass on the exhaust wrap and now my hand hurts.
You're struggling.
Rock the whole truck back and forth.
Hey, chill.
Dane, drop her down. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. That's what it's supposed to look like. You can't get the jack out. Dane, be careful driving the truck. Literally have my whole life in one haul right here. No. There it goes. We're following this train of emission here. Derek's gonna drop me off in my red truck and we're gonna follow the whole unit down the highway. Of course, I got film. It looks sick though. Garage lights on and everything, cash hanging out the window. We're man, bed of the truck, getting ready to go. We're taking the red truck, nice and easy. It's supposed to downpour here like literally any second, so yeah, that's kind of where we're at. I'm trying my best to get some BTS for you guys. So we're in the back of the truck right now. My red truck. I got my black truck down. If you can even hear me, they look pretty sick rolling on the road. Back. That was, my hair is probably a mess, but that was awesome. Ugh. That was a moment of a lifetime right there, Derek. Freaking sick.
It's gonna be sick. Check it out on YouTube.
They're already on YouTube.
I know.
He's literally already getting the truck off the trailer. He hates that thing, dude. He's gotta go home. Hey, why are you taking the truck off the trailer so fast? You don't want it on there anymore? You got something to tell me that you don't want to? Huh?
What?
You don't want my truck on your trailer anymore?
No.
Why?
It's leaking fluid everywhere.
It's only power steering and antifreeze and engine oil.
Look at my trailer. Freshly stained black trailer, you know?
It's got to get a scratch on it at some point.
Well, you know.
So the issue is, since we put the front spacers on the truck, it kind of widened out the wheelbase a little bit in the front. The truck is probably an inch or two lower than it was when we put it onto the trailer. 35 minutes later, we're almost down. The board is rising. Gonna back up and I'll tell you guys all about this awesome unwashed truck that's been sitting outside for 2 weeks because I haven't had time to film a video for you guys. First things first, so you guys won't see, I'm not showing you the interior because there's nothing new about the interior except for we got some good old roll-up windows now because that's the only clean second gen Dodge Dakota doors I could find. All different videos of just absolutely trashing this thing. And it got a complete overhaul, which I've been wanting to do for a while. I almost wanted to go for a red, white, and blue theme, but at the same time I wanted it to be a little bit stealthy, so and kind of match my black truck. The graphics were made by Zach Bennett in Waverly, New York. He did a hell of a job on this. Is all graphics this time. No more house paint. The whole thing is automotive paint done by yours truly. The past 2 videos, you guys know exactly how this thing came around to be built. Very long process. Cab is the only thing on this truck that's original. We are running extremely tight on time for the event we had to go to, so that's why there's a dent here. I rimmed the tires off my blue Dodge Dakota RT that is currently sitting out back waiting for a rear end swap. Hopefully these wheels will stay on here permanently after I get a new set of rims for that truck back there. Like I've already said, probably like 3 times already, every single body panel on this truck is new. I think we got a total of 6 trucks into one truck here. Hood, front bumper, fenders, doors, bed, all came off of separate trucks all over the state of New York, Pennsylvania. The massive air intake out the headlight, because normal headlights are boring nowadays. We smoked a concrete slab and broke this hood stack, snapped it down there by the frame. So this hood stack is not currently working. I promise they're well built. It just couldn't hold up to a concrete slab. This one, however, is rock solid. We got them chopped at a nice, good old, I think it's a 22-degree angle. No big deal. Got color match mirrors now. Intended delete. This thing is thick. Yeah, I don't know what kind of tires these are, but we have 3.5 inches of spacing, and that's really all you need to know about the rim and tire setup. With racing 6-spline lug nuts, this vehicle is a filming prop, which is not false. It's not false at all. Please do not touch. We blew a tire and blew off the fender flare, so we gotta fix that. Big CD logo back here. New tinted taillights, not black. They're heavily tinted stock taillights. I think they look really clean. I'm gonna put the same ones on my blue truck. I really like the way that they look. I ordered 2 sets when I got that one. Obviously subscribe. Vehicle is for competition use only, which is true because it went through a time in its life where we kind of started beating the absolute crap out of it through the woods, hitting cars. We actually told my friend's expedition with it.
That's transmission, bro.
Either way, I don't care. The truck was going down a rabbit hole that we had to get rid of quickly. So yes, this truck will be for competition or show use really only. We're not gonna thrash anymore because I don't know how much longer the engine has left in it. It runs great, starts fine, but you guys know the deal. The best time that it runs is right before it quits. So yeah, it's shooting flames at idle now, which is kind of sketchy, but at the same time, It's kind of sick. You guys gotta look in the bed here. This is my favorite part and the most ingenuity I think I possibly have ever done. Triple leaf spring shackles coming straight out of the bed. We needed to do a lowering kit ASAP, and we literally lowered this truck 5 or 6 inches in the rear from stock height all the way down to as low as it is now. We literally did that in probably 25 minutes for just scrap shackles that we had laying around, so it cost me nothing. The suspension's clapped out and it rides like a low rider or a static suspension. It's sick, and it kind of, this burnout truck things, I guess. The entire underneath of the truck is completely POR'd, ripped the entire truck apart, POR'd it, we didn't sandblast it, but we wire wheeled it and cleaned it up really well. Probably went a little bit overboard doing that with the build because it took up a lot of time. It looks good, and now I have officially 4 rust-free trucks, which I'm happy about because this thing was pretty bad. Almost rust-free. It's not completely rust-free. We got a little bit of rust. Just relax, okay? It's 98% rust-free. What do you guys think? I'm really happy with how it came out, especially with the time frame that we did it in and how cheap I did everything. I mean, I did it all myself. You know, for a fact, I've looked at the footage. It looks really good on camera. So I really hope you guys like it. That is the truck. I really hope you guys like it. It took me forever to upload this video or to make this video, and I apologize for that. I think we unveiled the last video probably like 4 weeks ago by the time you're seeing this. Now there's a select few that really have been wanting to see it. So I appreciate everyone following along and everyone that knows about this truck. I'm actually pretty happy about it. It's gonna go to, the plans are to take it to a bunch of big shows and actually get the name Criminal Diesel out there. Appreciate all of you tuning in. Thank you. And hopefully you like the truck, because this thing, like I said, I can be happier with it. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. We'll see you next time, maybe. Bye.